Right. Okay, grade 11. So remember now, in lesson 1, in video 1, we've done some revision on grade 10 work on analytical geometry. Now we're going to do some application now. So given the points A minus 1 and 2 and B 1 and 5, and we must calculate the length of AB, right? Secondly, we must find the midpoint of AB. Thirdly, we must find the gradient of AB. And then fourthly, if B is the midpoint of AC, calculate the coordinates of C. B is the midpoint of AC, right? You must find the coordinates of B. So let's do that first. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to switch to my writing pad because it's nice to do this with a drawing. If I go to my writing pad, right, there you are. So that is the point A and B. So if I draw my sketch, right, it's also always nice to have a picture in your head, then you can picture. Now A is -1, which is roughly there, and +2. So therefore A is there. A is -1 and 2. Then B is +1 and +5, about there. So B is roughly there, 1 and 5. Okay, guys. So the first question is, let me just make this a bit bigger. So the first question is, find the length of AB. There's your line AB, and how long is AB? Right? So let's do it. So AB, now remember the formula, guys? You need to write down the structure of the formula. So you remember it is like that. Minus and minus. That is the basic structure of the formula. So what you fill in here is you subtract the two x values. So it is, you can either start from B down to A or from A up to B, it doesn't matter. So let's say 1. We want to work from A to B. Okay, fine. Let's work from A to B. So it's -1, -1. So it's -1, -1. Okay, there you are. -1, -1. And then the y's is 2 minus 5. Right? So it is 2 minus 5. And the rest, people, is calculate the work. You can do this on the calculator, or you can do it mentally. Like -2 squared is 4. 2 minus 5 is -3 squared is 9. So therefore, it is the square root of 30. And there you are. It is the length of AB, the square root of 13. Right. That is the length of AB. It is square root of 13. And the second question is, you must find the midpoint of AB. Maybe somewhere there. I don't know. I'm not sure. It might lie somewhere there. So midpoint of AB, and you remember the formula. This is the basic structure of the formula. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Remember the basic structure? And here you add the two x values and you add the two y values. So let's do it. So it's -2 plus 1. -1 plus 1, plus 1 and 2 plus 5. So the midpoint is therefore 0/2 and 7/2. So the midpoint is therefore 0 and 3.5. Right. So yes, so that means M is actually on the y-axis. Can you see, guys? Because remember, M is 0 and 3.5. Right, so that is your midpoint. Right. Thirdly, we must find the gradient. So thirdly, or to C, let's see here, the gradient. Remember the formula for gradient is change in y over change in x. Let's first subtract the y values. It will be 2 minus 5. and negative 1 minus 1. Right, so there you are. So it is 2 minus 5 is negative 3 over negative 2, which of course is positive 1 and a half. There you are. So the gradient is positive 1 and a half. Right, so the other questions D, E, and F, I will do in video number 3. So end of video number 2.